ninja star like this. We need 2 paper. First fold it like this. Then fold it here like this. After that, cut this thing out. And do the other piece of paper like the same way. After that, when you are finished cutting the paper, then hold this like this, and then put it like this. Then put it here. After that, put it like this. Do the other thing. When you're done, hold it like this. And in the middle, hold the right side down and the left side. And do it here. Hold it like this. Then the right side up and the left side down. When you're done making this, then flip it over, hold it here like this, and do it here like this. Then do the other thing here like this and like this. When you're done making this part, then make it an X like this. Then put this thing here like this. Then do the other side here like this. Then flip it over and do the other thing here. Like this. And then do the other side like this. That's how we make a ninja star. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the